Want to know what hair I'm wearing? Then keep watching. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm rocking the body wave slash loose wave look. I usually stick to black hair in the winter. I don't really experiment with colours unless it's the summer, but that's just my personal preference. As you can see, the hair is full, long and luscious, and it's got that winter glam to it. If you like it, then let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel. Your support is everything and I really appreciate it. And also, with you liking the video, it lets me know what you want to see more of. But guys, I have a secret. Well, actually I have two secrets and one big one. Are you ready? This is a half wig. Yes, I said it, it's a half wig. I have leave out at the front, which I combed over the wig, and bam, the slade is real. I know. Okay, so I guess you're wondering, so what's the other two secrets? Hold on. I'm gonna get there, but you may want to make sure you're sitting down. The hair is synthetic. Yes, you heard me, the hair is synthetic. It's not virgin hair at all. I can't go in the water with this hair. I can't dye this hair, but I can apply heat to this hair up to 400 degrees. It's got a beautiful body wave curl pattern, as I said, and it can fool a lot of people. Okay, so by now you should be sitting down because I'm about to tell you the third secret, the biggest of them all. Are you ready? This is the Outre Maxine half wig that I reviewed 4 months ago. Yes, 4 months ago, and it's still holding up. I did an unboxing hair review, so you got to see me take the hair out the packet, what it looked like, and I also did a 2-week update. I will link them in the description box below, and also you should see them pop up right above my head with a notification card thingy, so click on those. That way you'll get to see the hair when I first got it, and you'll get to appreciate the hair now and how long it's lasted. So I wore this hair every day between September to October of last year, and I've worn it for an additional 3 weeks. As you can see, the curl pattern is not as tight as it was when I first got it, but I don't know, I feel it looks more natural. It's got that blown out frizzy look, kind of what virgin hair starts to look like once you've had it in for a while. But I don't mind that, but you guys let me know what you think. It also blends with my hair a lot easier. Personally, I feel that it can fool a lot of people. You wouldn't really know it's a half wig. If anything, you'd think it's a sew-in, and maybe even a frontal on the days where I can get my baby hairs right, but today was not that day. Brings me on to my next point. Like, I'm gonna be real with you guys. I feel Outre has the best synthetic hair. Really and truly, that's my honest opinion. And you know me, I always bang on about how important it is to not have a shiny appearance when it comes to synthetic hair, because it looks really fake, but I don't get that with Outre hair. It also lasts quite long, and usually it's the tight curl half wigs that I own that last the longest, but this one, it's really surprised me. On top of all of that, their hair lays quite flat, whether that's a half wig or a full wig, and again, it makes it look more natural. Don't get me wrong, I like other wigs such as Sensational, but I don't think it lays as flat or looks as natural. That's just my experience with the straight wigs that I've owned. I can't really speak for the Sensational curly wigs. But yeah, for just, you know, just under £30, I can't complain. I'm really impressed. Definitely got my money's worth, and that's what I call value for money. And I still feel like I've got some life left in this hair. Couldn't tell you the last time I bought virgin hair, probably about 2 years ago. Don't get me wrong, I do love virgin hair, but due to personal circumstances and being on a budget, this was the best option for me. So it's done me justice and it's helped me get through. Do you prefer virgin hair, or do you like virgin hair dupes such as Outre, Sensational? Let me know. Also, if you want me to do a video on how I blend my half wigs, then I'll be happy to do so. I did a video on how to blend pretty much when I just started YouTube, and the camera flipped in portrait mode. It cut off half of my head, you couldn't really see it, and it was just a mess. So I'll be happy to do a new and improved version, so let me know. Overall, I feel like a proud mom. This hair has done so well. Go get it, guys. As I said, I recommend this hair. I've told you I recommend this hair from the moment I got it in my other videos. If you have any questions, then feel free to ask in the comment section below. Don't forget to like my video. Please don't forget to subscribe. This was a 4-month Outre Maxine half wig review brought to you by your girl Sapphire. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.